Salut à toutes, salut à tous, bienvenue ici au Maroc, on n'est pas loin d'Airfood pour le débriefing de cette Africa Merzouga Rally 2019. Alors je vous accueille en français mais on va vite passer sur l'anglais car on a deux invités exceptionnels, les deux vainqueurs. We're going to switch in English because we have with us Nasser Alatia, thanks to be there, and your teammate Mathieu Baumel. Bienvenue Mathieu. Mathieu, soit ce sera en français si tu veux, il n'y a pas de souci. So Nasser, it was your first time here in Merzouga. What's your first impression after a week of racing and enjoying the sun?
Yeah, it's fantastic, to compete in Merzouga Africa Rally. I am really enjoy this rally. I feel welcome, with the organization and all the rider and pilot and. Yeah, it was really fantastic for us, me and Matthew, and we learned something never we know, and yeah, we are really happy, and I hope to come next year also.
So you don't have the same pressure you have in Dakar, but you win, but with a side-by-side, so it's a different car, it's smaller, it don't go so fast, but do you enjoy to pilot this type of car?
Yes, absolutely. After we win Dakar, this year, and we decide to compete in cross country, we win Qatar, and then we decide, if we are going to Abu Dhabi or we come to Merzouga. But always, every years we need to do Merzouga Rally, and we decide and we come to do Merzouga Rally Africa. And yeah, it's really a nice experience, and we learn something, never we know before, but okay, this is something new for us, and I hope next year all the big pilot also can come and can compete in this race.
So it's an invitation. If you watch, come for everybody. We want all the professional team next with the side by side, all the same car,
Yes,
and
and
a lot of fun. Because you learn, Mathieu, navigation on this Merzouga Rally not so easy. In fact, it's not holidays for you.
No, it's not holidays, and it's some place more difficult than FIA World Cup rally. So it's a good school for all the beginners, and it's fantastic to be here to discover the desert and the navigation in the dunes and all this beautiful landscape that you don't have time when you have a big car, that you go a little bit more fast to check everything. So I'm like Nasser said, we are very, very happy to be there, and when we do something, it's always by pleasure, and we took a lot of pleasure here. So this is the goal.
A few words about the bivouac yesterday. I think you enjoyed that. It was fun with all the bikes, the quad, all the guys in the middle of nowhere. It's part of the rally.
yes, it's fantastic, because we lose spirit of cross country. We do a lot of cross country, but we stay in a good hotel, and But yesterday, really, we feel like real cross country, and we share everything, and it was. Sandstorm coming, and we try to prepare everything, but it was fantastic, and really we like this adventure.
Yesterday you have to do some mechanic by yourself. No assistance yesterday, so you have to walk a bit on the car.
Yeah, but we are lucky because on this small car you don't have a lot of things to do, and the Can-Am we were using from South Racing Team is a strong Can-Am, and you can push, you can play, you can enjoy, and without any big trouble on the car. So, like I say, it's a big it's a nice school and for beginners.
So it's called a step for the Dakar. So you say you learn something here. Is it more training for you, even if it's not the same car? What do you learn here this week?
We learn the navigation is very hard here, because you need to trust yourself and trust co-driver. We work together. Matthew, he work every day. Hour and hour. And yeah. I think we leave from this race with a good confidence, and yeah, it was a great feeling. We learn.
So now you are stronger.
It was also first time that we had the road book in the morning. And I think we are the only one now to test that, and will be for the future. I think the way to do for the next Dakar. I think maybe in Morocco. So it's good for us to train before, and we saw that it's possible. So I think.
So this week you discover the road book just before the start. Huh?
Yeah, exactly, just before the start. So cannot do any preparation on the road book the night before, and just you start with the road book of the organization and try to anticipate a little bit during the race and to find the good way. So it was good. Yeah.
So you're talking about fun. I think we have some great action picture of you. I think you saw the drones. Maybe you saw him very, very close from you yesterday. It was very close. So we have a little action clip. We mix all your best action this week. It's called Merzouga Heroes with Nasser and Mathieu. Let's watch it.
Hi everybody, my name is Nasser Al Attiyah, 3 times Dakar winner. We are here in Merzouga Rally. First time to drive side by side. We went today the stage and also yesterday the prologue. It was fantastic, you know. We are happy. We are here, you know, to support the rally, you know, and to see all the friends, and the atmosphere is fantastic, you know. Everybody, you know, talking each other, you know, and help each other also. Yeah, it's really nice. This is the reason why we are here in Merzouga Rally, because we love and we like the atmosphere here. After big win in Dakar, you know, we need to enjoy different class, and yeah, I'm really quite happy, you know, thank for the organization, because we feel really welcome in this rally and everybody happy. It's first time I drive, you know, side by side, but okay, it's look like really fun. It's not really fast, but okay, we have a time to discuss, me and Mathieu. And, we learn more for navigation, because we hear the navigation here will be very difficult, but okay, it's nice to be here in Merzouga Rally.
Ouais, je vois, ouais. Allez, on est de retour ici au bord de la piscine, pas loin d'Airfood, pour ce débriefing du Merzouga Africa Merzouga Rally 2019. Et on accueille le vainqueur quad. Sorry, you're going to talk a bit in English. Axel Dutry on his Yamaha. So what's your feeling after? It's your second victory here?
Yeah.
Second victory, so in a row.
Second victory, second participate and second victory, so I'm very happy about that, and it's very, very good training and very nice race, so happy.
So how is it on the quad in the desert? It's really a mix between motorbike and side by side. How can you describe the way you drive this engine?
It's better than motorcycle because there's no trouble to fail on the floor, especially in the dune, because we are four-wheel exactly. But also there is in the jump, and when there is a lot of rocks, it's moving a lot, so it's difficult and need to have very good healthy to be at the end.
It's very physical on the quad because you never sit in here.
Yeah, we cannot sit because the rear shocks is also smaller than motorcycle and also side by side, so always to be stand up, so it's difficult.
Mathieu was talking about the navigation. We saw many quads with motorbike and car going on the left, on the right. It's the most difficult part here in Merzouga. It's not the technical really drive, it's the navigation.
Both, for sure both, but navigation is always very hard here. That's why we come here, because we know that we have a lot of navigation and we have to search and very be careful where we are going, and to be sure to be at the end.
What is the most funny for you? It's like this morning in the dune when you can fight against the other cars, the other motorbike, or to be really alone in the middle of nowhere. What's the kiff en français?
The kiff. I think both. I prefer to be alone and go do my race for all the day, because also all the day for sure we come back on behind, for the front, sorry, and some also behind come to us, so we are never alone really. but also the dune are at the end. The last day is always at it, and it's nice also.
So you can send an invitation for other quad next year if you can be more and more for the pictures and for you to have a good fight.
Yeah, for sure. If we can be better, more and more, it's better for everybody. So you're welcome.
Ok, ce qu'on va faire maintenant, on va se regarder. Ah bah c'est, je suis repassé en français. So we're going to watch now like a global clip we edit. So there is quad, there is side by side, and we have some motorbike action. I think it is yesterday's clip with very spectacular action. We call it full Merzugas because we have to say that, guys, you offer us a great show during all the week. In the Helis, it was crazy to see you. So the full Merzugas of yesterday, it's now.
Hi everybody, my name is Nasser Al Attiyah, 3 times Dakar winner.
Ben on est en live partout. Eh ben voilà, regarde, timing parfait d'Adrien. Il sort de la piscine, je pense qu'il va bientôt y retourner. Avec le vainqueur de la catégorie moto. Alors, je t'ai pas dit, on va le faire en anglais parce que ça passe un peu dans tous les pays. So we are back here in Merzuga for the debriefing of this rally, and we have Adrien van Beveren, the winner in motorbike. What's your feeling after this nice week here in Morocco?
You know, it's very good. I'm happy to share a good moment now with all my friends, the rally family. This victory is cool. To be honest, I came here to improve myself, to be better even on navigation and to have the best kind of training. You know, you can train anytime you want. You can make kilometers and kilometers of training, but race is still race, and it's different feeling, and you push differently on the bike. So yeah, for me, it's quite a good feeling to win because
It's always good to win.
yeah, and it's like 4 years now I'm racing in rally. I won a lot of not a lot, but I won several time special stages in Dakar, in Merzuga Rally, in the other rallies, but I never won a full rally, and because I crashed in the Dakar, I had some bad luck maybe, but now to win here it's cool. I keep my foot on the ground, and yeah, it's still a lot of work to win the future races and the Dakar, I hope one day.
You're talking about the Dakar. It's a good training, a good step to go there. You finished fourth one time in the Dakar. What's your goal now? Is it podium? Is it the victory? If you win here, you can win Dakar.
Yeah, you know, last year I was leading Dakar in 18. I had a big crash some days before the end. Dakar is very difficult, but to be honest, this Merzuga rally was super tricky for the navigation, and I really appreciate it because I think was a super good training. I improved myself in 5 days of race more than in 6 months of training.
Do you improve also, Axel, here? You learn something for the longer rally. It's really a good training, even for hobbies pilots and for professional pilots.
Yeah, for sure. The training in navigation is always very important because this is the most important part of the race. If you are going lost, you can go very fast. At the end, if you lost few minutes, you lost everything. So it's important to have good navigation.
A few words about the atmosphere here. There is less pressure than in FER or in Dakar. Do you enjoy the atmosphere, even the bivouac yesterday night? I think it was fun for all the pilots to join together.
Yeah. You know, rally is a big family. In the end, we all race the desert. We all love it. It's giving us big sensations, big moments, but also a lot of respect for the desert, for the race, and for us all together. And it's super funny to share, you know, you can sit with the best star of the discipline. I was talking with Nasser. He's a simple person. I share with Axel, which it's my friend since super long. But I'm also here with some Italian friends. I learn, you know what, with rally. Since I start rally, I learn like 3 new languages. I speak Spanish, I speak Italian, and this is because everybody share, you know.
So it's a great atmosphere here. Do you have fun this morning with Mastart? It's so cool to see you from the sky, all the motorbike and the car. Is it maybe the most funny part of this week?
Oh yeah, it was very cool. Not the most funny because it was very fun to ride all together. But I enjoy a lot to open along the track, you know, to start first and to arrive to the refueling and see like, wow, they don't arrive, so I did good. And to look that the navigation was really the point for this week. And for me, I always focus on navigate good and don't get lost, and also to push to get the victory, you know.
Perfect. Well, so now guys, it's party time. Okay. Do you want to have a little bath? Okay, Axel and. Yeah,
Axel also.
I think you're a good freestyler. Give me your phone, guys. Put your phones. Yeah. Okay. You're a good freestyler.
You want me to do backflip?
Oh yeah. So les enfants, on va se quitter avec un petit backflip. Bah, les motards, on sait que c'est les funambules. Hein. Allez, c'est là que ça va se passer derrière. Allez, il a plus le choix, c'est parti. Et puis bah, nous, on vous remercie de nous avoir suivis sur ce rallye Merzouga. Et on se quitte avec le backflip d'Adrien Van Beveren. C'est parti, youpi! Allez, nous on vous dit bye bye, rendez-vous l'année prochaine et puis à très vite sur les épreuves Dakar Series. Allez, ciao!